Hello everyone, let's start with cockroach. Every year there is minimum one question of cockroach. Let's start with it. Uh, so the size of the cockroach ranges from 1/4 inch to 3 inch, and in centimeters it is 0.6 to 7.6 centimeter. If we talk about it is 34 to 53 meter long. So the wing extend beyond the tip of the abdomen in males. So they ask you one question, ki how are male cockroach identified? So you will say ki the wings of the male cockroach is beyond the abdomen. So next, entire body is covered by hard chitinous exoskeleton. Next, these this exoskeleton is hardened and it has plates which are called as sclerites. These sclerites are joined by arthrodial membrane. Next, next is dorsal tergum, ventral sternum, lateral pleuron. Six segments are fused to form head of cockroach. So they ask you one question that how many segments are fused to form a head of cockroach. So there are total six segments which are fused to form head of cockroach. Okay. Next, labrum is the upper lip and labium is the lower lip. Very important MCQ. Mouth part has mandible and maxilla. A median flexible lobe which act as a tongue is called hypopharynx. Above pharynx means hypopharynx. So the tongue is situated above pharynx. The head is cannot the head is connected to thorax by a short extension of prothorax known as neck. So thorax के ऊपर it is prothorax, and this prothorax is nothing but neck of cockroach. Next, each thoracic segment bears a pair of walking legs. So suppose this is a cockroach and this is the thorax of the cockroach. So this is like each thorax bears a pair of walking legs. Please S. Mesothorax. First pair of wings arises from mesothorax. Suppose this is a cockroach again. This is mesothorax, this is metathorax. So from mesothorax, the first pair of wings arises. Next, metathorax says second pair of wing arises. So suppose this is metathorax. So metathorax is second pair of wings arises. Next, four wings are from mesothorax. So the wings which are arised from mesothorax, mesothorax से निकलने वाली wing is called as four wing. What it is called? It is called as four wing. Very important question. And this four wing is nothing but opaque. It is dark. It is leathery. It is opaque. It is dark. It is leathery. Called as tegmina. It is called what? It is called as tegmina. So this was a question of 2022. 2022 में they asked कि the wings arising from mesothorax is called what? So it is called as tegmina. Next, hind wings are used for flight. Everybody knows. Suppose this is the body of cockroach. From here, this is the hind wing arises from here, and these are used exclusively for flight. Next, 10 segments are present in abdomen in both male and female. Male and female Both both of them have 10 segments in their abdomen. So it is very important point. The only thing which is common between male and female cockroach is the 10th segmented abdomen. Next, in females, seventh sternum is boat shaped. Females में there the seventh sternum is boat shaped. Boat shaped. It is boat shaped. Next, in females, the seventh sternum along with eighth, ninth sterna, singular sternum, plural sterna. So 7 plus 8 plus ninth sterna are called what? Are called as brood or genital pouch. I have written each and every line of NCERT. You can cross check after watching this video. Please read NCERT and then solve your questions, whichever question or coaching module has given you. Solve that and see कि कितना आता है and then write down the mistake in your flashcards. That's it you have to do. Next, anterior part of genital pouch consists of female gonopore, spermatical pore, and collateral gland. You can remember it as like this: FSC, female gonopore, spermatical pore, and collateral gland. Many of them get confused between spermatical pore is in males, but -1 marks हो जाएगा. Please remember, spermatical pore is in females. Next, in males, genital pouch lies at hind end of abdomen bounded dorsally by ninth and 10th terga and ventrally by ninth sternum. Ninth and 10th terga and ventrally by ninth sterna. Please remember this. Ninth sterna. Next, talking about the male genital organs, they consist of dorsal anus, ventral male genital pore, and third gonopophysis. Anal style present in males and in both 10th segment bears a pair of jointed filamentous structure called anal cerci. Again, don't get confused between anal style and anal cerci. Anal style is only and only present in male cockroach, and anal cerci is present in both the sexes. Next, crop. What is crop? It is a sac like structure which stores food. Next, gizzard. Gizzard is also called as proventriculus. Very important question. What is gizzard का दूसरा नाम? It is proventriculus. It is proventriculus. Gizzard is for grinding. GG. Remember it as GG. Gizzard for grinding. Gizzard for grinding. Repeat it 5 times. You'll automatically learn this. Gizzard is for grinding. Next, six teeth are in cockroach. There are six teeth present in cockroach. Next, hepatic or gastric CK. What are hepatic and gastric CK? It is a ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules which is present at the junction और foregut and midgut. 2021 का क्वेश्चन है ये. 2021 asked कि foregut and midgut पे क्या present है, तो it is like 6 to 8 blind tubules which are called as hepatic or gastric CK. Now comes the next part, which is malphizian tubule. It lies between midgut and hindgut. Malphizian tubule lies between midgut and hindgut. Yet another important MCQ. There are 100 to 150. Mostly people get confused between Malphizian body, which is 100 to 150, and hepatic CK, which are 6 to 8. So please remember, hepatic CK are 6 to 8 and Malphizian body are 100 to 150. Next, Malphizian body, what does it perform? It is the excretory product from hemolymph. Hemolymph is blood of cockroach. Blood vascular system is open. Blood vessel in cockroach open into space is called hemocoel. Visceral organs are located in hemocoel and bath in blood. Heart of cockroach lies in mid dorsal line of thorax and abdomen. Next, blood from sinuses enters heart through ostia. Whenever you see the word enter, you have to you have to go with the option ostia. Ostia means a liquid substance entering into the body. The opening is ostia. So please remember, blood enters from sinuses into ostia. Next, next, network of trachea open through 10 pair of small hole which are called spiracles. Very important question again. What are network of trachea called? They are called as spiracles. Spiracles. Opening of spiracle is regulated by sphincter. Very important question again. Opening of spiracle is regulated by a sphincter. Glandular and ciliated cell lined each Malphizian tubule. So they can ask you Malphizian tubule is lined by what? So glandular cells and ciliated cells line Malphizian tubule. Next, uric acid is excreted out through hind gut. Uric acid is excreted out through hind gut. Next, next, uricotelic cockroach. मतलब like cockroach is uricotelic. They excrete uric acid crystals. Excretory part of cockroach consists of Malphizian body, fat body, nephrocyte, and uricles. Three ganglia lie in thorax region and six ganglia lie in abdomen region. The supraesophageal ganglia supplies nerve to antennae and compound eyes. Compound eyes is equal to dorsally. Compound eyes are situated dorsally. There are 2000 hexagonal ommatidia which has mosaic vision. Next, cockroaches are dioecious. Fourth to sixth abdominal segments, a pair of testes is present. Fourth to sixth testes are present. Male gonopore is situated ventrally to anus. Mushroom gland, a mushroom gland, which is nothing but an accessory reproductive gland, is present at sixth to seventh abdominal segment. This is a very important question of NEET, that where is mushroom gland situated? It is situated at sixth to seventh abdominal segment. And what is the common name for mushroom gland, which is nothing but accessory reproductive gland? Next, male gonopore, which is also called as phallomere. Male gonopore is called as phallomere. Phallomere is nothing but male gonopore, and It is present external to male gonopophysis. It is present external. I hope you can see that external here. So it is phallomere is external. They can change the word external into internal in correct and incorrect question. Please be careful. Next, chitinous asymmetrical phallomere. Like phallomere is situated asymmetrically and it is chitinous. Next, sperms are glued together in the form of bundles, which are called as spermatophores. So they are telling you that sperms are glued together in the bundle. This is the bundles of sperm. They are situated together, and this bundle is nothing but spermatophore. Nothing but spermatophore. Spermatophore. I'll highlight it with blue. Spermatophore. Please remember this. Next. Next is second to sixth segment. There lies two large ovaries. Eight group of ovarian tubules or ovarioles forms each ovary. Sixth segment, a pair of spermatheca is present. Ootheca is nothing but fertilized egg. Ootheca is nothing but fertilized egg. 8 mm long. Generally, the size of ootheca is nothing but 8 mm long. Ninth to 10th ootheca is 14 to 16 eggs. Like suppose at one time cockroach gives ninth 9 to 10 oothecas, and in that one ootheca there lies 14 to 16 eggs. Cockroach has parametabolous development. Parametabolous is nothing but development at nymphal stage. Parametabolous development is nothing but development at nymphal stage. Next, cockroaches undergo 13 times molting. Cockroaches undergo 13 time molting before getting into a mature form. Like before developing a wing, they undergo 13 time molting. Next, so I have drawn a diagram. Please excuse my drawing. This is a female cockroach which has wings not extending beyond the abdomen, and this is a male cockroach which has its wing extending beyond the abdomen. So you can see at the fourth to sixth region there lies a testes, and sixth to seventh there lies a mushroom gland, which is also called as male accessory glands. And in female cockroach you can see second to sixth segment there lies a ovarian ovaries which are laterally present. Next, in cockroach, short tubular pharynx leads to esophagus. One extra point to remember. Just remember it, like in cockroach, short tubular pharynx leads to esophagus. So here we finish cockroach. Now I'll suggest you to read NCERT once and then solve question. After watching this video, you do one thing, you read NCERT, and after reading NCERT, solve questions. If you want, I can provide you questions based on NCERT, strictly NCERT based questions on cockroach. And if you want it, comment down below. And this was my flashcards of cockroach. You can go through it and then you solve questions. So, till then, goodbye, everyone. All the best. Keep working hard. You got this.